Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to connect the DC motor and ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino board and make the motor to rotate if the distance is above 100 cm. The required things are ultrasonic sensor, Arduino board, then PNP sensor, PNP transistor, then diode, then a resistor of 220 ohms, then a diode, then a DC motor. First, the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to ground pin of the Arduino board. Then power pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to 5 volt. Then signal pin is connected to D8 of the Arduino board. Now we can go for PNP transistor. In the PNP transistor, the collector pin is connected to cathode of the diode. Then emitter pin is connected to the ground pin of the breadboard. The base pin of the PNP sensor is connected to the terminal 2 of the resistors up to 20 ohm, and the resistance 1 of the resistor is connected to D9 of the Arduino board. Now let's go for the motor. Here the terminal 1 is connected to the power point of the breadboard. Then terminal 2 is connected to the cathode point, that means the collector point and cathode point to the breadboard. Now we should come for the Arduino board. The 5 volts of the Arduino board is connected to the power point of the breadboard. Now ground pin is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board of the breadboard. Now let's go for the code part. In this code part, I am just giving I is equal to 0. In void setup, serial begin is 9600 because now we should see the output in the serial monitor here. So I am just giving that. Here pin mode is 7, output and 9, output because we are giving the output from here. In void loop, I am giving duration, centimeter. In pin mode 8, output because we are giving output from here, 8, output, and delay microsecond to 2. Then delay digital write 8, high. This is for the echo. Duration is equal to pulse in 8, high. Here centimeter is equal to microseconds to centimeters duration. Because we are giving the distance in centimeter, so I am just giving it in centimeter. If centimeter is greater than 100, the analog write is 9, I. Now let's go for the simulation. Start simulation. If we go high, greater than 100, here this is just 77 centimeters, so this is not rotating here. If we go high, greater than 100, the motor just started rotating because it's greater than 100 centimeters. Thank you guys.